Okay, imagine this. You finally get tickets to see your favorite artist live. You've been waiting for this for months.
Love this already.
You get to the venue, and your friend turns to you and says, "Do you know who the opener is? I heard the headliner might do a surprise encore, and apparently, GA is already packed near the pit."
Wait, opener? Headliner? GA? Pit? I understood maybe one of those words.
And that is exactly the problem. Concerts have their own entire vocabulary, words you basically never hear anywhere else.
Which means you could speak fluent English and still feel completely lost the moment you walk into a concert venue.
Not after today. 9 words. Everything you need to talk about concerts like you've been going to shows your whole life. Let's go. Welcome back to Easy English for Everyone. I'm Sarah.
And I'm James. In full disclosure, I am not a huge concert person, so today I'm learning right alongside you.
Which actually makes this episode perfect, because James is going to ask exactly the questions you're probably thinking.
Happy to represent the confused audience today.
This episode is B1 to B2 level. You know English well, and today we're adding a whole category of vocabulary that's genuinely useful, whether you're attending a concert in America, talking about music with friends, or just watching artist interviews online.
9 words. Let's get into it.
Let's start with words you'd hear before you even get to the concert, while you're planning, buying tickets, getting excited.
Word 1.
Lineup. Lineup. The lineup is the full list of artists performing, especially at a festival with multiple acts. Have you seen the lineup for the summer festival yet? It's incredible this year.
So it's not just one artist, it's the whole schedule of everyone playing.
Exactly. And you'll see this word used as a noun constantly. Check out this year's lineup, or the lineup just got announced.
Okay, word 2, and I actually think I know this one. Opener?
Yes, the opener, also called the opening act, is the artist who performs first, before the main artist everyone came to see. Usually a smaller, less famous artist.
So if I bought a ticket to see one artist, there might actually be a completely different artist performing first?
Exactly right. Sometimes people arrive late specifically to skip the opener. But honestly, some of the best concert experiences I've had were discovering an opener I'd never heard of before.
That's actually a really nice way to discover new music.
It really is. Which brings us perfectly to word 3, the opposite of the opener, the headliner.
I'm guessing that's the main artist?
Exactly. The headliner is the most important, most famous artist. The reason most people bought tickets. They usually perform last, and their name is the biggest one on the poster, literally at the head of the lineup, which is where the word comes from.
Head of the lineup. That actually makes a lot of sense now.
Next group. Words about tickets and where you'll actually be standing or sitting.
This is the part I actually need help with. I've genuinely been confused by ticket websites before.
You're not alone. Word 4. GA, which stands for General Admission.
What does that actually mean?
It means there are no assigned seats. You just show up and stand wherever you want, usually on the floor, closest to the stage. It's typically cheaper than reserved seating, but it also means you might be standing for hours.
So if I want to be close to the stage, GA is usually the way to do it.
Exactly. But you often need to arrive early to get a good spot, since it's first come, first served. Word 5, and this one relates to GA, the pit.
I've heard this word, and honestly, it sounds a little scary.
It can be. The pit is the area right in front of the stage, usually part of the GA section, where the crowd is most packed together and people are often dancing, jumping, or pushing.
Pushing? On purpose?
At certain types of concerts, especially rock or punk shows, yes. There's actually a specific term for the more aggressive version of this, mosh pit, or just moshing. That's when people intentionally push and bump into each other, almost like a rough, energetic dance.
That sounds intense.
It really depends on the genre. A pop concert pit is very different from a metal concert mosh pit. But if you're not into that kind of energy, you can always stand further back, even in GA.
Word 6 then. I've definitely seen this on ticket sites. Sold out.
The most heartbreaking 2 words in concert English.
Oh no.
Sold out means every single ticket has already been purchased. There are none left. The show sold out in 10 minutes means all the tickets were gone within 10 minutes of going on sale.
So if I see sold out on a website, that's basically a dead end.
Usually, yes, though sometimes people resell their tickets on secondary sites afterward, often at a much higher price.
Halfway there. 3 words down, 3 to go.
If you're enjoying today's episode, hit subscribe. New practical English lesson every single week.
Okay, let's get into what actually happens once the show starts.
Word 7, set list.
I actually think I've heard this one in interviews.
Good ear! A set list is the specific list of songs an artist plans to perform, in order, during their show. Sometimes fans try to guess the set list beforehand based on the artist's current tour.
So it's basically their game plan for the night.
Exactly, and sometimes, if you're lucky, you can grab the physical set list paper from the stage after the show. Some artists tape it to the floor, and fans grab it as a souvenir.
Wait, that's a real thing?
It's a real thing, and concert fans go a little wild for it. Word 8, merch.
Oh, I actually know this one. Short for merchandise, right?
Exactly right. Merch refers to the official t-shirts, hoodies, posters, and other items sold at the concert with the artist's name or tour design on them. I bought some merch at the show. Or, did you check out the merch table?
Concert merch always feels more special than just buying a regular t-shirt online.
It really does. It's kind of a way to remember the specific show you went to. Some fans collect a piece of merch from every tour they attend. And our final word, number 9, encore.
I've definitely heard people shout this at the end of shows and movies.
Yes! An encore is when the artist finishes their main set, leaves the stage, and then comes back to perform 1 or 2 extra songs. Usually because the crowd is cheering and chanting for more.
So it's kind of a planned surprise?
Honestly, most of the time, it is planned in advance. But it's presented like a spontaneous reaction to the crowd's energy. The artist leaves, the lights stay dim, everyone chants, "One more song," or just claps rhythmically. And then the artist comes back out.
That's such a fun tradition, actually.
It's genuinely one of my favorite parts of any concert, that moment of uncertainty right before the encore, when you're not sure if they're coming back. Let's hear all 9 words used naturally in one quick conversation. James, you're texting me about a concert we're planning to go to.
Hey, did you see the lineup for the festival next month?
Yes, I'm so excited. I heard the headliner might do a surprise song during their encore.
Nice. Do you know who the opener is?
I think it's a smaller local band. I'm actually excited to check them out too.
Should we get GA or reserve seats? I heard GA gets pretty crowded near the pit.
Let's do GA. I want to be close. Just maybe not fully in the pit. My feet can't handle that anymore.
Fair. Oh, and tickets are almost sold out. We should buy them today.
Good call. And I'm definitely budgeting extra for merch. I always regret it when I don't buy a shirt.
Same, and I'm curious what's on the set list this tour. I read they've been playing a lot of old songs.
Even better. Okay, buying tickets now.
9 words, one very natural conversation. Lineup, headliner, encore, opener, GA, pit, sold out, merch, and set list.
That's genuinely how these words show up in real life. Casually, mixed into an excited conversation about plans. Quiz time! 5 questions, mixing all 9 words. Ready?
Ready.
Question 1. This is the full list of every artist performing at a festival.
the lineup.
Question 2. This is the artist who performs first, before the main artist everyone came to see.
The opener.
Question 3. All the tickets are gone, none are left to buy.
Sold out.
Question 4. The artist finishes their set, leaves the stage, and comes back for 1 or 2 more songs because the crowd is cheering.
An encore.
And question 5. The challenge. You want to be close to the stage with no assigned seat, and you're curious what songs they'll perform. So you check this list before the show. What 2 words am I describing?
GA for general admission, no assigned seat, and the set list for the songs they'll play. 2 for the price of 1.
Perfect score!
Let's do one fast, rapid review. All 9 words, no explanations.
Lineup, opener, headliner, GA, the pit, sold out, set list, merch, encore.
9 words, and now you actually know what your friends are talking about before a show.
My challenge for you this week. If you like music, look up an artist's most recent tour and try to find their set list, or check what venue they're headlining. Use these words in real context.
And if you ever get the chance to go to a live concert, now you'll actually understand everything happening around you.
Our next episode is going to be about English at the gym, every phrase you need for working out. Very useful episode coming up.
Subscribe so you don't miss it. And comment below, what's the best concert you've ever been to? Tell us in English.
We read every single comment. Thank you so much for listening to Easy English for Everyone.
See you at the next episode.
Goodbye, everyone.